If you're tired of jollof rice, you're tired of white rice and stew, you're tired of fried rice, this coconut rice is what you need. And this peppered chicken, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made all of this. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you are just coming across this channel for the very first time, you're highly welcome. My name is Kina Buffet, and in this video I just want to show you guys how I made this very simple coconut rice. Okay, so all you need is your coconut oil if you do have, but in this video I made use of groundnut oil. That oil was the oil I used in frying the chicken, so I just used it here. One thing I love doing is sautéing onion. I enjoy doing it a lot, and that's what I'm doing here on very low heat. I want to do this so the onion can release its flavor. Do you understand? Like everywhere will be that sauce on. For the first time, I'm making use of Ghana rice to prepare coconut jollof rice. We can call this coconut white rice, but not plain white, and I'll tell you why. So I poured in my rice into my sauteed onion, and I'm gradually stirring. I want to fry this rice. I think the reason why I do this is just to help the rice come out one. And I just enjoy doing that too. I think it helps build flavor. Okay, so yeah, I will saute this rice until it is well fried, and then I'll set it aside. Now let us start preparing the rice itself. So this is my groundnut oil, still the groundnut oil I used in frying my chicken. Please, if you have coconut oil, that is the best, like the best to use for this recipe. But I didn't have coconut oil, so I went in for the groundnut oil, just as I said earlier. So now I have my onion, my diced onion. I love onions, and for this recipe, please put in a lot of onion, because you're not going to be using lots of spices, so you need lots of onion for the taste to be enhanced. I mean well enhanced. And then I have my chopped peppers, that's the red and the green habanero pepper. If you like only the red, it's fine. I just love the combination of the red and the green. Don't you like it? So yes, I use the red and the green habanero pepper. So you stir this together, you allow them to come together to communicate. You know, they should talk to each other, their aroma should come out, their flavors should come out, everything should just marinate together. So yes, I added more pepper because of course I love pepper. So you just keep on stirring. You want the pepper to cook a little bit. So yeah, for those that do not like so much pepper, please do not put a lot. Just put based on what you can handle. Now I'm going to be adding my seasoning cube. So this seasoning cube is just to season the vegetables, that's the pepper and the onion. Yeah, so I'm not putting a lot now. You don't need to put all the seasoning you have to put for the rice, because you still have your meat stock that is well seasoned. So you just put the small seasoning just to make sure the onion and the pepper is well, seasoned. So yeah, this is my secret ingredient. Will I say secret ingredient? I'll say one of my best ingredients of late, that's turmeric powder. I've been using it a lot. I think of late I don't really like the curry powder, so I had to look for a substitute, and I went in for turmeric. So anything that I'm supposed to put curry, I substitute it with the turmeric powder. Okay, just put a little, because a little goes a long way. So now I just poured in my coconut milk. I believe we all know how to extract coconut milk because I didn't show it in this video. I just poured in my coconut milk, stirred it, and tasted. Of course, I've not added my stock or my chicken stock, and that's what I'm going to be adding now. After adding your chicken stock, just stir and taste. Be sure that your Maggi, your pepper, your salt, if you use salt. For me, I don't use salt to cook. I only make use of Maggi. I don't use salt. So yeah, you just season it to how you want it and then taste and ensure that the taste is perfect. You see, the same rule that applies to jollof rice is the same rule that applies here. You season it to be borderline salty and then you cover it and allow it to boil. Okay. Now we are pouring in our seasoned and well flavored rice. Remember, we've already stir fried this rice in a groundnut oil and onion. Yes, so we are now pouring the rice inside the coconut milk and then give it a very good stir. Guys, can you see how beautiful this looks? Like, it looks so beautiful and creamy. That's what coconut milk will do to your meal. And it doesn't just look beautiful, it tasted so yummy. If you haven't prepared or eaten coconut rice before, just try this out. Very simple. You say no, you're not going to spend a lot of money to prepare this. All what you'll be needing is your oil, your rice, your peppers, your seasoning cube, and you are good to go. Maybe your turmeric. So when your rice boils, you gently lift and turn. You lift and turn. You do this carefully so you don't make your rice mushy or mushy. So you just do this gently, lift and turn. Do not forget that your rice is to cook on medium heat. Okay, medium heat. This is the second time I'm lifting and turning this rice, so the ones down can come up and the ones up can go down, so they can cook evenly. Anybody that told you that you should not stir jollof rice or you should not stir any rice that you're cooking, the person lied. They lied to you. Yes, they lied to you. So stir, lift, just do that gently. And then at this point, after lifting and turning, I'm going to cover this with a kitchen towel and allow the heat to do the wonders, to do the work. And then I will reduce it to low heat. Before it was on medium heat, but at this point it will be on a very low heat, and then the steam will do the job. So after like 15 minutes, this is what we have. Our rice is ready at this point. Everything came out perfect. Now when you are preparing this rice, you see the sauce we prepared earlier, let's say the peppered mix. You can decide to bring out some of it so you can add to the rice at this stage, but if you don't mind it's just being plain like this, it's fine. But if you want to see like more of the colors, after sauteing the onion, pepper, and adding your seasoning, you can keep some aside so that at this point you can pour it in, stir, and then bring it down. But for me, I used only the onion because I did not have peppers left. Like the pepper was not just enough the way I wanted it to be, but it came out yummy. Guys, you do not need stew to eat this. I promise you, you don't need stew. It tastes so good. Give this a try. I promise you, you would love it. So it's time I prepare my peppered chicken because I don't like boring chicken. I don't want my chicken to be just fried and just bare on the rice. So this is me preparing my peppered chicken with the groundnut oil, onion, then you stir that, allow the onion to release its flavor. This should be done on low heat. Yes, it should be done on low heat so your onion doesn't get burnt. So you allow this to cook. If you love garlic a lot, then you add garlic at this point too. Now I am adding my chopped pepper, the pepper I used in preparing the coconut rice in the beginning, remember? Yes, I'm just adding a little here, but you can add more. If you like pepper, you add more pepper. But if you don't like a lot of pepper, you can still reduce. You don't need to add a lot like I did. Good. And it also depends on the quantity of chicken you are preparing. For this, I just prepared this for a little quantity of chicken. And before now, you should have steamed your chicken and fried it. Okay, so you add your seasoning. At this point, if you have other seasoning in mind or spices to add, you can do that, but please don't add too much of spices, okay, so it doesn't take away the natural taste and flavor of this peppered chicken. So I just stir that together and allow it to simmer a little, and then I'll add my chicken. After adding the chicken, I just take my time to mix everything together. Guys, this is very therapeutic for me. I love doing this. I just love seeing the colors mixing with the chicken and everything just coming out so beautiful. I love it. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please press that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and the bell beside of it so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Share this video with your friends, family, and loved ones. Comment in the comment section if you should try out this recipe. Let me know how it turned out, if you enjoyed it, and if you've eaten this before, let me also know. Okay, so yeah, our chicken is ready. Yes, our chicken is ready. You should give this a try. Our food is ready. So if you have any other vegetable you want to add, you can actually do that. Maybe your bell peppers, you can do that. This is just diced or chopped onion I just added. Just remaining onion I just added to it. And that's it. It's ready. Your chicken will definitely taste different when you prepare it this way. See, I forgot I was to take a video. I just started eating it whenever I do these videos. Pardon me, but hope you enjoyed watching this video just like I enjoyed cooking and shooting this video. Thank you. Bye.